Welcome to the 51st Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. I said 51st Balloon Fiesta.
What's up, fatties? We are at the Balloon Fiesta 2023 in Albuquerque, Nuevo Mexico. First time at the Balloon Fiesta, and we're coming to Saturday. It's the first day of the fiesta, right? Today the first day? We missed the balloons in the morning because we flew here, but so this is like, you can either come in the morning or you can come in the afternoon. So we're coming for the afternoon events, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna be here at 5 a.m., something like that, to watch the balloons take off. All right, let's see what trouble we can get into with this lady. Kind of looks like a NASCAR, man.
Green chili fries.
This is all the healthy food here, right?
Yeah. This is Main Street, where they have all the like food and drinks. And at the end of Main Street, you have the Balloon Discovery Center, which we should definitely go in there, like maybe in the morning or later if we want. I don't know, but it's basically kind of like teaches you all about how the balloons, how they work. Like teaches you about ballooning.
I think they heat up the air and the balloon goes up.
I'm not going to explain this to you if you're going to make dumb jokes. Balloon Discovery Center to the...
Not a dumb joke, that's how balloons work.
And over here is the artist. These are like artisan tents where you can buy like, you know, people who make candles or bracelets or whatever. This is merchandise. What are all these people waiting in line for?
They're waiting on official Balloon Fiesta merchandise. Swag is a real deal.
It's like at a concert.
Oh, that's crazy. No, thank you.
So do you want to go in the balloon tent or do you want to just go get a drink and some food?
A drink and some food. Two of them are tied together?
Look, with the U.S. flag right between them. They're holding it.
Oh, I see. Ryan? Stanley Z coming down at a good pace right now. He's about to touch down here. Closer to the ground. America! For the flag of our national anthem. My pistol tip, Juliet, Team Extreme. You looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together.
And over there is below. So you want to go over there?
So one of the signs.
Yes.
Are you ready for the 99 Luftballons?
Well, look at that one. It has a
smiley. Oh, it's Looks like Humpty Dumpty.
What you've got here is 2 or 3 feet square, and they're going to be living in this basket for the next night, possibly the night after that. Competitive gas flight in history, also setting the Polish records. Spoko. The Polish team are prepared. The national anthem is queued up, ready to go.
Good morning
My face.
from the Balloon Fiesta. Day number 2, early morning. Was it 5 a.m., 5:30?
You didn't ask these college kids if they appreciated being on film.
I love being on film.
Americans like being on film,
That is so true.
not other countries. Very early morning, woke up at 4 a.m. We are here. The drones are about to start, and balloons will be launching at 7 a.m. So, rise up and join us.
Up and down the street is just like different
That's funny to me that they have to wear those. Welcome to the 51st Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. I said 51st Balloon Fiesta. Mexicans have a different answer. What is it?
Wow. Light it
I know,
up.
but
Light it up, oh, oh, light it up, oh, oh, I'm on fire!
That's warm.
I did. We were right here.
That is Phat at the Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta.
As the twilight's last gleaming, who's brought the light on through the perilous path.
The Mass Ascension has started. All the balloons are taking off. They don't all take off at exactly the same time. Take off in turns, but then they are all in the sky at the same time, obviously. Oh, the cat balloon's taking off.
He walks into my room and then he's like,
Now that's a balloon that's utterly fantastic. Okay, fatties, I hope you enjoyed the Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta, 51st International Balloon Fiesta. Had a great time. The morning balloons, this is really nice, but the evening part was actually pretty good last night. They light up the balloons and you don't have to wake up so early and you can still see a lot of the balloons. So, but I guess this is the most exciting part where everybody gets up really early and looks at all the big balloons in the sky. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you will, please like and subscribe so I can feel better about myself. So yeah. Land of Enchantment. See you next time.